Have you ever felt that, no matter how much you seek spiritual meaning, something's still missing? 91% of people are stuck in spiritual stage 1, are you? Hello beautiful souls. Most people get stuck at the very first stage of awakening, without even realizing it. Today, let's gently uncover the real 5 stages of spiritual awakening, and the secret 6th stage, shish, that almost nobody talks about. I'm Mikkel, let's journey inward, together. The loop we fall into. Maybe you've tried meditation, reading every book, even diving into mystical experiences. But still, you wake up some mornings, and wonder, is this all there is? You binge video after video, hoping the next one will finally unlock the secret. Nothing sticks. It feels like you're walking in circles, right? What if I told you, most spiritual content is meant to keep you stuck? What you'll gain from this video right here, right now. I'll share the awakening roadmap most teachers never mention. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which stage you're in, and how to move forward with grace. Oh, and yes, there's a stage 6. Almost no one dares to speak about it. Stage 1, the spiritual consumer. This is where almost everyone begins, just being honest. We collect crystals, tarot decks, downloads, books, classes. Trying to level up spiritually. But here's the truth, gathering knowledge does not equal growth. It's only the beginning. Until you embody what you've learned, you're just adorning your ego, without touching your soul. If that stings, even a little, you're exactly where you need to be. Stage 2. Identity crisis, the beautiful breakdown, next. The dark night of the soul. Everything you thought you were, starts to crumble. Your beliefs. Your old relationships. Even your identity. Don't panic, this breakdown is your soul's invitation to begin again. Clear, honest, naked. You're not losing yourself, you're shedding what was never really you. If this is resonating so far, I invite you to subscribe. Not just for content, but to walk this journey of awakening together. Stage 3. The authentic seeker. Here, you crave more. Not just surface answers. You become selective. What feels fake, you'll sense it immediately, and move on. But a soft warning, even in this deep search, you might fall into spiritual bypassing, avoiding your real-world wounds while chasing transcendence. Stage 4. The integrated human. Now, it gets truly beautiful. You walk your talk. Spirituality is no longer in your head, it lives in your actions. Compassion, during conflict. Courage, when you feel fear. Kindness, even when it's inconvenient. You stop trying to be special. You start showing up as your full, honest, real self. Stage 5. The living bridge. You become a quiet light for others. Not by preaching, not by teaching. Just by living as an example. Your calm energy, your presence, inspires those around you, even when you say nothing at all. Stage 6. Beyond individual awakening. Okay, few will say this out loud, but true awakening goes beyond the personal. You begin to see your transformation as a ripple that uplifts humanity itself. No gurus, no followers. Just conscious humans, co-creating a kinder world. Personal story, the realization. I'll be honest with you. I spent years stuck in stage 1, thinking I was growing because I could quote every spiritual book on my shelf. But it took heartbreak, uncertainty, loss, for me to finally realize knowledge is nothing unless it reaches your bones. My breakthrough came when I stopped asking, What should I learn next? And instead whispered, what am I avoiding within myself, right now? So, beautiful soul, where are you on this journey? Let me know in the comments, honestly, with no judgment. If this video touched you, tap like. Subscribe to walk this path, together. And if you're ready to break free from stage 1, download my free guide in the description below. You're not alone. Let's awaken, together. Thank you for joining me, Mikkel, on this journey. Until next time, stay present, stay loving, and trust your path.